Welcome back to our channel, Toy Toy Time. Today we're gonna create a new adventure with Skye, Chase, and the puppies from the Paw Patrol. Here they are. Aren't they adorable? Okay, so Chase and Skye and the family are still at the lake house, and the puppies want to play in the backyard. Do you think Skye should let them play in the backyard? What do you think is gonna happen during this episode today? Alright, so subscribe to our channel to watch this episode and many more episodes with our Paw Patrol family. So, alright, Chase and Skye decide that they have to get the house ready because it's still gonna snow. And then the puppies want to play outside in the yard. Chase has to go food shopping, while Skye stays at home and watches the kids. But the kids keep asking Skye to go play outside. Should Skye let them play outside? Look guys, there is a lake right here and the lake is frozen. Alright, so Skye says, yes, you can go play outside, but stay away from that lake. Now, let's see what happens. Hey Skye, I'm gonna go to the village. I have to go shopping for a few things for our house. I know I have to shop for some food, and also I have to buy some tools to fix the roof. Do you need anything else from the store? Well, if you're shopping for food, just get something for dinner, because I'll start cooking dinner in a little bit. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go cleaning the house. You puppies wanna go with Daddy? Daddy could take you. You could go to the village and help him shopping for the food and for the tools we need at our house. That's right, kids. Do you wanna go with me? We can go shopping for the food, and then we could stop for some hot cocoa on the way home. It will be fun. Come on, guys.
No, we don't want to go. We want to stay home, and we want to play here in the backyard. It's not that cold today. Mommy, Daddy, can we play in the backyard? Look at this cool ball that we just got. I want to play kickball.
You want to play kickball? Well, but we're very near a frozen lake. I don't think that's a good idea. What do you think, Skye? They're old enough to know not to go near the lake, but you're the one that's gonna be home. It's gonna be your call, Skye. Do you think they should play outside or go to the store with me?
Please, Mommy, let us play ball outside. We promise we'll be good. We promise.
Wow, guys, that's a very difficult decision. I agree with you, Chase. I think the frozen lake is very dangerous. I know, right, Skye? Yes. But I think they're old enough to understand that they have to stay away from the frozen lake. So if you guys promise that you'll be good and listen, I will let you play outside. Alright, Skye, are you sure? Do you want me to stay?
Yay! We're so happy. Thanks, Mommy. Thanks, Daddy. We promise we will stay very far from the lake. We will not go near the lake at all.
Alright, so I guess they will be good, and they're always very good. You kids listen to Mommy and listen to me. You gotta stay away from the lake. That's right, guys. So let me show you the area where you guys are allowed to play. Right here in the backyard. Do you see this area right here? You guys are safe here. But do not go on the grassy area around the lake. It's very dangerous. The closer you get to the lake, the more dangerous it gets. So please, promise you'll be good?
Yes, Mommy, we promise we'll be good. We will stay as far away from the lake as possible, and we will not kick the ball very hard so it doesn't go to the lake.
Perfect. So I'll be in the house. You guys call me if you need anything. I'll be cleaning and organizing the house and getting ready. So when the snowstorm starts, we have food and we have a very nice house to hang out.
All right, kids. Okay, so remember, we have to be good. That's right. We don't want Mommy and Daddy to be upset with us. Alright, so here we go. Very carefully, I'm gonna kick the ball to you. Make sure you catch it and do not go near the lake. We caught it! Yay! Good job. Now here it goes. Nico, you gotta make sure you catch the ball too. I don't want it to hit the window or the door of our house. I can help you, Nico. Alright, thanks, Lila. Alright, guys, get ready. Kick the ball back to us. We'll make sure we catch it. Nico, please get ready. I'm ready too. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay, we caught it. Good job. That was a very good kick, you guys.
Kids, how are you guys doing? Are you guys being good and staying away from the lake? I'm just checking in on you. All right, seems like everybody's well.
Yes, Mommy, we are okay. We are listening and being very good. We're playing kickball, but we're being super careful. Hey, did you cook something yummy for us?
Are you guys hungry? I can cook some grilled cheese and make some hot cocoa for you guys. I'll come and get you when it's ready.
Grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese and I love hot cocoa. Alright guys, so let's finish playing kickball because soon we're gonna have to go in the house and eat. Alright Nico, it's your turn again. Get ready but be very careful. Okay guys, so here we go. I'm gonna kick the ball to you three. Be ready. We are ready. Okay, so here it is. Here it goes. Here is the best soccer player in the world. I'm kicking the ball to all of you. Nico dribbles, Nico passes, Nico kicks and scores. Yay! Goal! Uh-oh, guys, I don't think I scored a goal. I think I just did such a big kick that the ball landed right in the middle of the frozen lake. This is the end of our fun. We cannot go near the lake. Remember what Mommy and Daddy said. I know. I'm so sorry, guys. It's okay, Nico. Don't worry. You know what? I think there's a way for me to go get the ball. Lila, you have to listen to Mommy and Daddy. This is very dangerous. Well, it's not dangerous if I am very careful. And I promise to you guys that I will be very careful. I will stay as far away from the lake as possible. You see that stick over there? I'm gonna go get it. And once I get the stick, I'm gonna hit the ball and the ball will come out of the lake. You see? And then we can continue our game. Alright, I'm gonna go very careful because I know I am walking in the grass. But still, Mommy said to stay away from this area. But Lila, that's what you don't get. You are walking around the area that Mommy asked us to stay away from. If Mommy finds out that we didn't listen to her, she will be very upset with us. And this is not nice. Also, Lila, you're going too close to the lake and that's not good. That's very, very bad. What if you fall on the lake? You could be in so much danger. No, Lila, I don't want to play soccer anymore. I don't want to play kickball anymore. Let's just go in the house. Guys, just relax. Don't worry, I know what I am doing. Look, all I have to do is toss the stick right on the ball, and then once I toss the stick, the ball is gonna bounce back and come right here by the snow. Alright, so here we go. Are you guys ready? Look, I'm gonna aim, and I'm going to toss the stick at this ball. Whoa, 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 wait a minute. Oh, it's very slippery here, guys. I didn't know that it was very slippery by the lake. I should have stayed away from this area. This is not good. I am losing my balance. This area is very slippery, and this is not good. It seems like I'm sliding towards the lake. Oh no, I cannot go to the lake. Oh, I should have listened to Mommy. This is such a bad idea. And little by little, I'm sliding into the lake. Guys, quick, help me. Help me, please. I am sliding into the lake, and this lake is frozen. Mommy said for us to stay away from the frozen lake. Daddy's gonna be so upset with us. I should have listened to Mommy and Daddy. Guys, quick, go get help. Oh no, we have to go get help. Look, Lila's stuck in the middle of the lake. Please go get help. It seems like I am standing on a very thin ice, and the ice is starting to shatter. Okay, we'll go get help. Mommy, Lila's stuck on the frozen lake. Please come help us. We have to rescue her. Quick, Lila, hold the stick right here. We're gonna try to pull you from the lake. But guys, I don't want you to come near this lake. This lake is very dangerous. I should have listened to Mommy. Oh no, Mommy's gonna be so upset with me. But wait, Lila, you have to stay still. The more you move, the more the ice starts shattering. And look, oh no, it's getting worse and worse.
Kids, is everything okay? What's going on?
Mommy, we have to help Lila. She's stuck on the frozen lake, and the ice is starting to crack. Oh no, look, the whole lake is getting all shattered.
Oh no! Lila, are you okay? What happened? Why did you step on the lake? I asked you guys not to go near the frozen lake. I should have sent you guys with your father. Come on, Lila, please stay still. Mommy's on her way to help you. I'm gonna rescue you and you will be okay. First things first, the more you move, the more this lake is gonna crack. So you have to stay still. We don't want this ice to shatter anymore. Derek, Romeo, please go call your father and ask him to bring Everest also. Everest has the best machine to make rescues in the snow. And Lila, this is what we're going to do. You hold on to this stick and Mommy's gonna hold on to it too. I'm gonna make sure that you are safe until help gets here. Daddy and Aunt Everest are on the way. Did you guys speak with them?
Yes, we did, Mommy. Everest received the signal and she was already on her way. She picked Daddy up and they're almost here. Please, Lila, just stay still. We want to make sure that you're safe.
And here they are. Paw Patrol on the road. We're here to rescue you, Lila. Don't worry. I have the best machine to make rescue in the snow. But you should have listened to your mommy. That's right, Lila. Why did you step on the ice? That was not good. You should have listened.
I did try to listen, but I lost my balance and now here I am in the middle of the lake.
Okay. You're nice and safe. I got you. But next time, don't try to listen. Make sure you listen. Because you have to make sure you listen to your mommy and daddy. They want the best for you. Alright, so you promise you will never go near a frozen lake ever again?
Yes, I promise. This was very scary. No more frozen lake for me. And for me, no more frozen lake for none of us.
Okay, Lila, that was not nice. Your daddy and I will have a talk with you. And then after that, if you guys are hungry, I made the grilled cheese you guys asked me. So how about we all go in the house right now because it's getting cold and I think it's gonna start snowing any moment. Let's stay away from the frozen lake. It's very dangerous. And I will make sure I'll break this whole ice so it can reset. I'll break it with my snowmobile. Thanks, Everest. Alright guys, so let's get in the house. Wow, that was a very scary moment.
But we are glad that we were able to rescue Lila and now she is safe and sound. Paw Patrol to the rescue. Thanks, Aunt Everest. Thank you for rescuing me.
You are welcome. But next time, make sure you listen to your mommy and daddy.
I will.
Okay, guys. So how did you like the adventure today? Lila is very lucky that the Paw Patrol was able to rescue her today. That was a very scary moment. We cannot go near any frozen lakes. It's very dangerous. Okay, so if you guys liked our Paw Patrol rescue today, please subscribe to our channel and let us know how you liked our video. So we'll see you guys on our next Paw Patrol adventure. And also check our channel to see many more toys. We're doing LOL surprises, LOL Pearl surprise, and many more. So subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the new adventures. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. And if you want to watch more adventures with the Paw Patrol, select one of the videos that we chose for you. And stay tuned, many more adventures will be coming your way. Thank you for watching. Toy Toy Time!